All right, kiddos, here we are in this next video lesson, right? We're gonna kick butt. Make sure you have your paper and pencil out, ready to go, right? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna identify the name of these notes, and these notes are called exterior angle theorem, right? Exterior angle meaning the outside, okay? We're going to see that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Let me show you what that means in the picture, right? Here's the picture right here. So this is our triangle here, okay? Now we have one corner, two corners, three corners of a triangle, right? That's why it's called a triangle, right? Three angles. Now, something cool about triangles is that there are angles inside the triangle, but then whenever you have lines that extend, it also creates an angle on the outside, right? So these outside angles are called exterior angles. The angles inside the triangle, right, are called interior angles. So what happens, what mathematicians, what we discovered is that when you look at this outside angle right here, it equals to these two opposite interior angles added up together. So when you add this red or A plus this green or B, it adds up equal to this blue or D. That's why they have here D, right? The outside angle is equal to A plus B, right? So this outside angle is equal to this A angle plus this B angle, right? So I like to use colors. This blue is equal to red plus green, right? So let's stick to that theme. Let's take a look at these examples here. So here we have the triangle, right? Here we have the triangle. And here we have the line that extends here, and here we have our outside angle, right? So let's use the colors that they went with. So this is, oops, too big. Let me go here. So this is our, come on, Martinez, what you doing? All right, this is our blue angle. That means that opposite is our red angle and our green angle. And remember, it's inside plus inside equals the outside, or red plus green is equal to blue, right? Let's take a look here. Yeah, red plus green is equal to blue, right? Inside plus inside is equal to the opposite outside. So let's do that. So red plus green is equal to blue. Red is question mark plus green is 75 degrees is equal to blue outside is 110 degrees. How much is the question mark? Well, I'm going to move this 75 over and it's going to become negative 75, right? So I'm left with question mark is equal to 35. 110 minus 75 is 35. And there you go. Look at that. We found the missing angle. This angle right here is 35 degrees, right? So if this is 35 degrees and we add 75 plus 35, it gets us 110. Perfect. Worked out perfect. Look at that. All right. And completely forgot again. Look at this. The instructions here said, find the measure of each angle indicated. In this case, it was that angle, right? So, right, let's go back here and let's do number 2. So number 2 says solve for x. So we're going to solve for x. We're going to get x by itself, right? So let's go again with our red plus green equals blue, the outside, right? Inside angle plus inside angle equals outside angle. So my outside angle is going to be blue. So let me highlight that. This is my outside angle. My inside angle are red and green, right? This is my red and this is my green, right? Inside plus inside equals outside. Inside plus inside is equal to outside. So let us use our space here. Inside plus inside. Inside is 3x plus 14 plus the other inside is 92 is equal to the outside, which is 12x plus 16. Look at that. I'm going to draw my line of separation. I'm going to combine my like terms right here, which is 14 and 92, which give me 106, right? So what I'm going to do, everyone, is this 12x is bigger than this 3x. I'm going to move this 3x over to this side. So that means I'm going to move my 16 over to this side. So 3x cancels out and becomes minus 3x. 16 cancels out. 16 cancels out and becomes negative 16. So we are left with 106 minus 16 is 90. 12x minus 3x is 9x, right? Which means 9 times x, and the opposite of multiplying by 9 is dividing by 9. So I am left with 10 is equal to x. And that is exactly what this question was asking us for. Solve for x. I have solved for x, kiddos. There you go. Look at that. And we set it up here because we know that inside plus inside is equal to outside, right? Red plus green is equal to blue. Okay? Perfect. So, one more set of notes. This one, the instructions say, right? Find the measure of the angle indicated. It doesn't say solve for x. It doesn't say find the measure of each angle indicated. Actually, it does say measure angle indicated, right? But number 1 just had question mark. Number 3 actually says find angle U. For me. For Ulysses, right? That's my name. But let's get to that. Let's get to that. First, I'm going to find my blue. My blue is my outside angle. And this angle right here is outside the parenthesis, outside the triangle. So this is my blue here. Now my red and my green is, this is my red and this is my green. Sometimes it's hard to read with these triangles, but right, just be careful. So inside plus inside equals outside, right? Red plus green equals blue. So let's set it up. Right? Red plus green equals blue. 5x minus 2 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to blue. 56. Look at that. I don't know why that 5 came out huge. Anyway. All right, I'm going to put my like terms together. 5x plus 4x together and minus 2 plus 4 together. Now these two give me 9x. These two are different signs, so I got to subtract 4 minus 2 is 2. A positive 2. Look at a big 2. I don't know why I did that. So that means that this 2 has to come over to this side and become a minus 2, right? Plus 2 becomes minus 2. So I am left with 9x here. 56 minus 2 is 54. Now this is 9 times x, right, everybody? So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I get x is equal to 54 divided by 6. The 9 is 6. My mind was working faster there. I told you the answer without before, right? Now, this says x equals 6. Actually, let me take off the square because that's not the answer, everybody. Because look, this says find angle U. This is not angle U. This is x. What I need to find is angle U. This is angle U. So I'm going to say here, angle U is equal to 5x minus 2. Well, how much is x? If we only knew how much x is, well, come on, it's right there, right? So 5 parentheses 6 minus 2. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 2, angle U is equal to 28. And there you go. Look at that. We found angle U. All right. All set up by knowing that when we have this special kind of triangle case, when we have inside plus inside is equal to outside, right? Green plus red was equal to blue. We did the same thing for all three, right? So there we go, right? So these are the important notes, right? Inside angle plus inside angle is equal to outside angle. And they're the opposite. If you notice, it's not this one right next to it. No, it's these two that are across the way from the outside angle, right? There you go. Look at that. That right there, kiddos, is our video lesson for exterior angle theorem. So make sure that you got everything copied down. You're good to go. Come back to this video later on if you're unsure during the assignment. And thanks for being here, everyone.